Hello everyone, welcome to my Walmart vegetarian haul. These items have been purchased from Walmart. I spent around $80. I did have a couple of dupes in there, but enjoy the show and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we have some Halo. Alright, so these are some oranges here. Then we got some apples. Alright, the gala apples, the broccoli florets, whole strawberries. So I got about 3 total of the broccoli florets. Cauliflower. I got 3 total of cauliflower. Chopped spinach. We got some edamames. I love these. So these are a good snack right here. And I got me some cauliflower rice. Just a little extra just in case like I run out of the regular cauliflower. But you can grind these up or poach them into cauliflower rice. So that's another little hack just in case if you don't want to buy regular cauliflower rice. I got some corn here. This is also good, you know. Oh man, this split open. But this here, got some corn, a vegan dairy-free ice cream, which is so delicious. This one is in cookie dough. I usually get the caramel, but I didn't get it this time. You can also go to the Dollar Tree. Some of them might sell these, but yeah. Walmart has them for about $4.98. But again, if you go to Dollar Tree, you might look up and see the vegan ice cream. Okay, got me some vegan butter. Okay, you don't have to get any butter at all. You can actually cook without the butter, but if you want, you can also try vegan butter. Get you some green beans, some fresh green beans. I love fresh green beans, but you can also get them in a can. Here I got some lettuce because I do have some wheat bread subs in the freezer. So if I want to make a veggie sub, then I can go ahead and do that. I picked up some tofu. I got the extra firm. So the hack with this, if you want to get that texture to be like a different texture, like thick texture, is you freeze this, and then when you're ready to cook it, of course unthaw it and then crumble it, and it gives it like this thick texture. 2 of these, okay? I always keep this on handy. This is good for my my protein shakes. So I've always bought this no matter what. And also when it came down to the ice cream, I had regular strawberry ice cream in the freezer. I didn't throw none of my food away. I just kept it, just ate it, and then now I'm on to my ice cream, my vegan ice cream. I love my chips and salsa. That was a huge stapler for me when I went out to the restaurants and I couldn't really eat none of the food. Chips and salsa was like my go-to. I went and got me a big thing of oatmeal. So this comes in handy. Got me some coffee. Next is a nutritional yeast. So if you want that cheese flavor without having the cheese, get nutritional yeast. You can get it from Trader Joe's, Walmart, wherever. But this is a good item to have. It is a little costly. You can get the Great Value brand, which was around $5. But why not just spend the extra $1 and get the real thing? So this one was around $6 and change. So add the nutritional yeast. To buy all the time. Again, you can always just stick with your whole food items and don't have to worry about this, the ice cream. You don't have to worry about all of that. None of the processed foods, okay? So don't always feel like you have to. Picked up applesauce. Applesauce, I'm going to use this as a snack, and also I will use it to make pancakes. So I have Kodiak pancakes in my cabinet right now. I'm not throwing my Kodiak pancakes away. So what I'm going to do is once those protein pancakes are gone, then I will start making my own And how you would make that is you get the oatmeal. Okay, get the oatmeal. The applesauce is used as an egg substitute. And then get the banana, blend it together. You can put some protein powder in it, and then that can be your protein pancakes or waffles. This here is something new, which I don't usually buy at all, but this is the hash browns. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube buy the hash browns, so this is good to have. It does have traces of milk, eggs, and soy, but I've seen a lot of plant-based eaters use this, even though it has traces of milk and eggs. So I'm not exactly sure. But this is just another processed item that you can, you know, have just in case you just want to try something different. Another thing I buy on a regular, no matter what, is the canned green beans. So I bought 4 of these. Got me some pineapple chunks. I usually get them frozen, but I didn't see a good price on it, so I just got the canned minute brown rice. I decided to just go ahead and give this a try. I didn't realize only 2 came in a pack, so I paid $2 and something for this. So I'm gonna just try this out, and this is going to be more like convenient for when I don't feel like cooking my rice, or I didn't batch any rice, or when I go to work. This will be a good item for lunch. You know, pop it in the microwave. Next I have is some white quinoa. So this is another good item to have. You don't have to buy this. You can just use your regular white rice if you have it in your cabinet, and then slowly move over to brown rice and add some quinoa just to break up the whole rice thing. You can get quinoa. All right, these potatoes, I should have got the baby potatoes because that would have been a whole lot better, but these are a good whole plant-based meal item. So any potatoes will do. I always buy the red, so I just decided to just get the brown. So either one is good because it came out the ground, right? Another stapler in my house, even when I wasn't vegan, but when I was vegan, I was buying plant-based items, so that way, like when the family has taco, I at least have some type of taco meat. So I bought this last week. I still have some left, but I just decided to stock up some more. You're eating is a whole lot of plant-based items, whole food items. You don't want to forget about your sauces. I like this sauce. I like to put on my rice. I like to put on my veggies. Everything just tastes good with this sauce. I love it. Whole table right now is crowded full of stuff right here, okay? And then I have the rest of my other stuff that I need to take out. Yeah. So, ooh, I look toe up. I'll come back when I look better.